It's Monday morning, and the world keeps shifting. And manufacturers, they're being asked to do more with less, and sooner than ever. Ever worry that your current factory automation strategy is already obsolete? Ever feel like your digital systems are fighting each other more than working together? Or know your week is going to be spent integrating fragmented factory data instead of designing for tomorrow? This isn't just change, it's a complete reset.
Enter Eclipse. Eclipse helps manufacturers digitize and scale factories with precision. Precision that pays off. Our mission is simple. We build what the world depends on. We work where programming meets machinery, where uptime means everything, where complexity becomes clarity, where trust is earned by getting it right the first time.
Our results speak for themselves, with measurable gains in productivity and ROI. We live where digital intelligence meets physical performance.
From AMRs to AGVs to sensors to robotics to humanoids collaborating with humans on the factory floor and digital twins, we combine hardware and software to help organizations get to market faster, deliver on business outcomes sooner, and build better modular, scalable machines and systems.
Our full-service portfolio includes factory audits, training, predictive monitoring, OEE optimization, and even full-line relocations, keeping your investment running at peak efficiency long after commissioning.
At Eclipse, collaboration drives what we do. Our teams partner closely with engineering, operations, procurement, IT, finance, and beyond.
We align every step, from strategy to execution. Our integrated approach means faster ramp-ups, fewer surprises, and measurable impact. We turn ideas into business outcomes. One shop, complete ownership.
With us, you see what success looks like before you build. Our vertical integration ensures delivery on time, on budget, and systems that work right the first time and keep working.
And we don't stop there. From day one to forever, your system's performance is in good hands.
With Eclipse, you gain a partner that delivers clarity, precision, and long-term value at every step.
How we build is just as important as what we build. Precision, performance, partnership, momentum, accountability.
We build the machines that manufacture medicine, protect resources, produce food, and power global industries. We build what matters. We deliver what lasts.
From energy to electronics, food and beverage to life sciences, heavy industry to consumer goods.
What matters isn't your vertical, it's your vision, your customers, your brand, your trust. We build for that every day.
It's Monday morning. When will you make the shift?
This is where factory automation gets practical, where vision becomes velocity, where investment meets ROI, and trust, it becomes your competitive edge. This is where factories move next.
Eclipse, where factory automation is going. Make the shift at eclipseautomation.com.